Welcome to the Study Studio, a place where learning meets fun, creativity, and innovation. Whether you're here to master coding, explore the fascinating world of robotics, dive into enchanting stories, or learn every subject for any grade and board, this is the channel for you. We're here to make academics exciting and accessible for everyone. From phonics classes for the little learners to in-depth sessions for high school and beyond, we've got it all covered. Storytelling that sparks imagination, coding tutorials to empower creators, robotics for the inventors, and subject lessons tailored just for you. Our content is designed to inspire and educate. So, if you're ready to explore, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin this amazing journey together. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on what you'd love to learn next. See you in the next video.